today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any calendar to Google Calendar. This can include school, sports, or Scouts calendars, and as an example, we'll be using Highland CSD 2025 to 2026. Let's jump right into it. Our first task is to navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once the page is fully loaded, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Google Calendar. It's a straightforward, organized space where you manage all your upcoming events and appointments. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Other Calendars. This is where we can begin to bring in additional calendars of interest. Next to Other Calendars, there's a little plus icon that you're going to want to click. Give it a tap. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, a menu of options will appear. From this list, we need to choose from URL. This selection allows us to use a URL link to add a calendar that might not be housed within Google's predefined calendar options. Now, let's use an example to bring this to life. Imagine you want to include the US holidays calendar. You've got a link to this calendar ready, so you'll paste or type that link into the provided field. It's an easy process that just needs a good, correct URL. After entering your URL, the final step is simple. Look for the Add Calendar button towards the bottom of the screen. Once you click it, the system will process your request, and almost instantly, the new calendar will be incorporated into your list, visible under Other Calendars. This process not only applies to national holiday calendars, but is particularly useful for incorporating school, sports, or scout calendars, which often provide iCalendar links on their websites. Just grab that URL and you're all set. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Make sure the URL is correct and accessible. If you're sharing a private calendar and want others to access it, remember they'll need the appropriate permissions to view the calendar. It's worth double-checking any privacy settings if the calendar doesn't appear, just to be sure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. Adding a calendar through a URL is a straightforward task once you know where to navigate. With these steps in hand, you can streamline your schedule and ensure that all your important events, be it school terms or game days, are neatly organized right where you want them in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.